One thing that is for certain though is that the earliest arthropod or arthropod ancestors would have had a lot more legs than most arthropods do today, and this played a big part in why modern arthropods look the way they do. Out of the big groups like arachnids, hexapods containing insects, and crustaceans, it is bugs like centipedes and millipedes, known as the myriapods, that are the most primitive. That is to say that all of the arthropods evolved from a creature that would have had many more segments and legs, and centipedes and millipedes just look a lot more like this common ancestor than the other arthropod groups. Myriapods also don't undergo metamorphosis, and unlike insects and spiders that as adults have a very fixed number of legs, the amount of legs and body segments varies wildly among different species of centipede and millipedes. Some species gain legs and body segments throughout their life while molting as well. The most popular theory of why arthropods look the way they do is that they evolved from centipede-looking ancestors and over time evolved to lose legs and segments, while other segments fused together making larger body parts like the thorax, head or abdomen. The segments of arthropod bodies are also known as tagma, and this evolutionary trend where they fuse together and specialize into distinct sections of the body is known as tagmosis. Tagmosis is the reason behind many of the features seen across the whole arthropod group. For instance, this is the reason insects still have visible segments on their abdomen, and although they no longer possess legs, this is not the case for many insect larvae that sometimes still have appendages on their abdomen segments. For instance, mayfly larvae still have appendages running down their abdomen they have adapted into gills. Some more primitive spiders also have visible segments on their abdomen too. A subset of crustaceans known as the decapods, which contains creatures like lobsters, crabs, and shrimp, all have 5 pairs of legs, whereas many other crustaceans that are believed to be more primitive have 7 pairs, like isopods, that contains pillbugs or woodlouse. Finally, a mutation can be induced in certain types of flies that can make them grow legs in place of their antennae. It may seem incredibly alien for a creature's body structure to be made up of lots of copied segments, but vertebrates actually have parts of their body that are formed by copying segments as well, like vertebrae and ribs.